Start at your homepage on Vesta Plus. This is the MLS for CLAW, which is Los Angeles and west side of Los Angeles. You're going to go down to your MLS products, go to Cloud CMA, sign in, activate your account, agree to the terms, and then you click on Cloud CMA. You're going to launch that. Go to Create New Report. Then you click on CMA. This is going to be the title of your report. I put in the address, put in your subject property's address. This is a property that is currently listed right now in Sunset Mesa. Verify the information is correct. Select your property type. This is a single family residence, so select yours accordingly. And then you click on add photo. You can add the photo. This is just pulled off the MLS here. And then you go down to automatically find listings. I did 6 months back, so this is going to automatically find listings, comparable listings around the property. However, you're going to see that after you click on fetch listings, you'll get this map of recent solds and some active. Verify. Now they're going to pull some certain properties that probably aren't great comps. So this one here for 8.8 million, I don't believe is a good comp for this subject property. So I'm going to deselect the ones that I don't want to include in the MLS report. Then you go down to add listing and add in an MLS number from another property that you think it's a good comp in the area. I'll look back 3 months, 6 months. But there was a neighboring property that did not show up on the automatic fetch listings. So you can add additional listings by including the MLS number up here, and you go down, click add listing. Then you're going to put in the price that you believe the property is worth, or the subject property price here. You go down to customize report. Here are your customized report here. There's different options here. There's title page, cover letter, agent resume, our company, and you can edit these by clicking on them and add in whatever kind of information you want. This will be included in the report if you'd like it to be. If you don't like it to be, there's a little red minus there on the left. You can click on that and that will remove the report. So depending on how many pages you want to include in your CMA, you can add and subtract accordingly. You have map of all listings there, summary of comparable properties, analysis chapter. There's just a lot of different documents and things that you can include in your CMA if you'd like to. But I think having too many pages in your packet is probably not too beneficial. Here's your comparable property statistics, shows you your averages for your sold listings, pending listing, and your active listing, and how many days on market. So once you have all the properties or certain sections that you want in your CMA, you're going to go up to the top here and you're going to click on Publish Report. And then you click on View PDF. And this is going to show you a PDF version of what your report looks like. So comparative market analysis, you have your front page cover photo, the address, there's my name. I'm going to show you in a second how to include your contact information, your DRE number. You want to include that in your CMA. So you can see here your map of comparable listings. This is nice to look at. You can just see a visual view of where the property sold, what they sold for. This is your summary of comparables. These are the other listings, and you can go through after you can export this PDF. You can delete pages if you want to as well, if you don't want to print out these all out. Now, what you're also going to want to do is go up to this little gray body icon here, go to account settings. So then you're going to click on account settings, and then here you can add your name, add a photo of yourself, add your company number, email, phone number, and go to contact information to also include your DRE number.